Hello, 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 everybody. So it is, well, let me say this. The sun is up. The sun is up. But we're still experiencing cold weather. Yeah, lots of cold weather. But, you know, we got to just get through it, right? So this is just some perlite. I hope you can see that. Yeah, I think you can see it. Perlite and some potting mix. That's all it is. And I also have some compost at the bottom. The bottom is old soil. Yeah, there's old soil back in the bottom. So I'm just kind of mixing it up a little bit. And I'm going to drop some green onions. Now, these green onions, they're not necessarily for pest pressure. They're for me eating. They're for me eating, not tomorrow, or 2 months from now. These are the ones I want to eat today. Like maybe in February, whenever it's ready. But it's not for pest pressure or anything. So this is just a little sandwich container Jody brought to me. Jody brought me a sandwich today. It was really good. My daughter is always thinking about me. I tell y'all. She's always thinking about her mama. If Jody is eating something, you better believe that she gonna bring me something. She gonna buy me just what she have, or we gonna share that plate. And I'm for it. I'm all for it, baby. I'm all for it. But anyway, this is just some soil I have. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this out on my grow table. And I'm going to let it grow. I also have this. Let me share it. Wait, let me set this here. All right. Let me take this out and share what I'm gonna drop also. Whew. It feels good to be outside, I'll tell you that. Yeah, it feels good to be outside. So this astragalus, this is my leftover from one bottle. This is astragalus. It's an herb. If you don't know what it is, do some research on it. And the next one is, this is dill that I harvest from my garden. That's dill. I'm going to drop those seeds because I want some dill, because I'm going to pickle a lot of my peppers. So 2 peppers one pepper I want to pickle is some banana peppers. That's the first thing I want to pickle. And then, of course, I want to pickle some cucumbers. And with that, I want my own fresh dill in it. That's what I want, y'all. So let me find my seeds for my green onions. And there they are. These are my Dollar Tree seeds. Y'all saw that? I hope y'all saw that. But anyway, let's see if we can put this down. You get over, baby. Let me put this here. All right. And I'm going to empty this entire pack into this, which these days, listen, I don't know if you all have noticed, but in many seed packs, they baby. You getting the bare minimum of seeds. The bare. So it's just gonna be, look at that. Let me show you. That is it. That is all. That's all of them. That's all of them. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. I have a lot of seeds, but still, Dollar Tree, you used to get a lot of seeds in these packs, but not anymore. Not anymore. So I respect them, y'all. I respect them. All right, here we go. That's that pack. Okay, so I'm just gonna get some of this soil, which I hated because I don't know how this soil got moist. I really don't like it moist. I like to be in control. I mean, I like to be in control of this stuff. But when I opened the bag, it was moist. So that's okay. We don't go on with it. We go on with it. And now I'm just gonna pat it down a little bit so it can get that good contact. So these seeds can activate. Yeah, as I say, it's already moist, so they really don't need any water. Okay, now I'm gonna get 2 little starter cups, and we're gonna drop our astragalus and dill. All right. There is pros and cons with everything we do in this life. Growing year-round outside is a privilege. I love it, but our seasons, they run into each other, y'all. So here we go, early. So I'm digging in my soil, and this is who I come across. Yeah. Yeah, baby, even before you get to transform, say goodnight. Say goodnight. Damn, that's early. So this was my first bed that I dropped seeds in back in August. This was the bed where all of the hope began of having 3 great harvests for 3 great holidays for 3 families. It all started here. And so now I am cleaning this bed, and I'm gonna harvest some greens from this bed to share with the neighbor who asked for greens for her and her family. You all know I couldn't say no. It is a beautiful thing when we can help each other. The family that I am helping with this meal is a Spanish-speaking family. They're going through a lot at this time. But I think mostly for the mom, it's mental. So I'm gonna make sure they have a nutritious meal today. I pray to God that things get better for them in the very, very near future. Yeah. Growing a vegetable garden is not just about filling your belly. No, it's about helping you get from day to day. So I'm cleaning this bed, right? And I almost missed him, y'all. I almost missed him. Yeah, but I got you. I got you. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Big boy. Come on in. Come on. Come on. There you go. There you go. Yeah, baby. Don't say goodnight. Yeah, 1 white, 1 black boat saying goodnight. Yeah. Hey, got the bed, got the bed. Now, I need to get some protection from that one. I put some fencing down to protect my garden bed from the cat, because if I leave it just the way it is, Lemon, he will go in it. Yeah. And if I come back and find out he has been squatting in my garden bed, I'm gonna put a stick on his ass. And that's real. So as you can see, I've been pulling off bad leaves. Our leaves just huge and they're just hanging over on the ground. This beautiful, beautiful cabbage, she's gorgeous. She had a couple bad leaves at the bottom, but that is very, very natural. So what I'm gonna do with all of these leaves, y'all know they going into super juice. Now I'm gonna put some of them on my square over there and just let them dry. I'm gonna use some of them as mulch, but most of it will go into my super juice. Also, I have chopped some up and put it in the soil. So just using it as a green manure, right? So just let the plant feed the plants, and that's what we're doing. So the sun is coming in and out, and it is about to rain. So I'm going to gather up all my goodies and I'm gonna get up out of here. I was gonna give everybody some water. They need it. I need to clean out this little bed. Now, all of this here that's growing, this is garlic. Now, this garlic is for me to eat. Some of it, I may let it go into bulb. Some of them will. But I've been eating, especially the chives. I didn't plant these garlic for the bulbs. I planted these garlic for two reasons: pest pressure and eating. That's my thing. That's what I'm doing. But anyway, there it goes. There we go. Okay, I did a big harvest on my bay leaf tree, and she's doing good. She's putting on a lot of new growth. That branch there is very new. There's more new branches coming up on her every day. She's full of new leaves. So I'm just going around, and what I did was I just harvest all of the bigger, darker leaves. That's what I did. Yup. All right, y'all. This is number 6 that I have found today. Yeah. He's a fat boy. But just like all the rest. Wait a minute here. Just like all the rest of them, he's saying goodnight. He's saying goodnight. Psalms, I'm gonna wait for you. Say goodnight to him, niece. Say goodnight. Yeah. Mike, he gone. He gone. So this is one of my pepper plants, and it's so engulfed with all of these American groundnut plants all around it. But I thought I saw something in here. Let me see. I did. Look at that. Y'all see that? It's a red pepper in there. Wait a minute. Oh, she been through it. She been through it, baby. We'll see. Gee, that looks like something I can eat. Oh my God, there's another one. Yay. There's another one. It's another one. Oh yeah. She been covered up down here. What is that? Okay, that's a part of the pepper. What is this? This is garlic. This is garlic. There's more over there. Let's see. Oh my, I see another pepper, y'all. Look like she fell off the plant. Yeah. Yeah. Poor little baby. Yeah, she fell off. All right. I'm going to save her for the seeds. So she's still useful to me. All right. So I'm going to clean up this little bed good. Give her some good airflow so she can continuously produce. Hopefully she get past this weather we have coming, right? Because we do have some cold weather coming. Yep. It's coming, baby. It's coming. So, and here is another one. Let's see what's over here. As long as I don't grab a frog, I'm good. Because if I grab a frog, it's over. At least it's over for the day, baby. If I grab a frog. All right. I think that's all I'm going to do before the rain catch me. All right. I think that's it for right now. All right. Got that bed looking pretty darn good. All right, family. These calendulas are just amazing. They're just doing beautifully. I'm loving them. I'm loving them, y'all. They just, woof. Yeah. This is a good area for them, too. I love it. And they are just putting on more and more and more flowers. So we'll see if they can make it through this last 7 or 8 days we're going to have of cooler, well, no, colder weather. We'll see.
Yeah.